Hello there and welcome to another video tutorial. In today's video, I'll create a cinematic title animation intro using Filmora X. So let's get started. Under title options, click on title, choose the default title, add the default title to the timeline, then select and double click on the text, type Beauty and the Beast, change the photo Catwoman, font size to 44, and then click on Advanced. Change the font size of letter B to 100. And then under the text fill option, select image fill. Add the image of your choice to the text. Also change the text effect and add a shadow to the text. Then split the text into 4 sections with different time durations. Once done, select the text, copy and paste the text, and place each text on top of each other. Use the text on top as a guide to arrange your text. So in order to do this, first hide the text layers and edit each text one by one. Once done, also edit the top text. Select and double click on the text. Then change the text to presents. Change the font size to 40. Letter spacing to 30. Also change the text fill to image fill as well. Add the image of your choice from your files. And leave the settings unchanged. Then go to Animations and select Erase. Once done, move to the next text. Follow the same procedures carefully while editing the text. Next, edit and adjust the top text and place it at 1 second and 24 frames. Then animate the text. To do that, select the text, right click and select Add Animation. Add a keyframe at the start of the text, set the rotation to -20 degrees, scale to 400, Then move on the next text. Set the rotation to 20 degrees and the scale to 400. On the next text, also set the rotation to 20 degrees, scale to 400, position on the x-axis at -160. And last, set the rotation to 20 degrees, scale to 400. And at 1 second and 24 frames, add another keyframe. Set the rotation to 0 degrees, scale to 100, as well as the position to 0 degrees. So move on the next text and add animation. Set the rotation to 20 degrees, scale to 400, position to 100 degrees on the x-axis. On the next text, also set the rotation to 20 degrees, scale to 400, and the position to 300. At 6 seconds, add another keyframe. Set the rotation to 0, scale to 159, as well as the position to 0 degrees. And then at 7 seconds, add another keyframe. Set the scale at 100. Follow the same steps carefully and animate the rest of the text till the end. Once done, let's preview the video. Now import all your project files to the media library, but first, let's move all our project files from track 1 to track 4. To do that, hold the Ctrl key and A key and select all files. Then add all the background files to the timeline, that is background 1, background 2 and the scattered smoke file. Next, adjust the project file and set background 2 to screen under the blending mode. And also set the scattered smoke file to screen under the blending mode. Now go back to background 1, select the background, click on the crop option, select pan and zoom, and click on zoom in. Here you can zoom in or zoom out depending on your preference, but right now I'll leave the settings unchanged and click OK. So let's add animation to the scattered smoke file. Add a keyframe at the start of the video, set the scale at 400, skip frames and add another keyframe at 100. Select all the projects on the timeline, copy and paste the file under each text created and also adjust the keyframe. Now let's also add the audio file to the timeline. Select and right click on the audio file, select detach audio and delete the file on the timeline. Once done, render and preview the video for export.